Hey, today I'm going to show you how to use your agent header ID to track leads that visit the website. A lot of people want to know if I send someone a link to the website or send them a link to a property and they go to the website, how can I ensure that I receive that lead and that they're registered to you? This is how you would do it. I've set it up for a few of you, but this will give you a refresher on how to do it, and I'll be teaching classes regularly on it as well. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, let's just say you open up a browser. You're going to want to log into your IDX Broker account. You should have your login already. If not, just get with me. I can send it over to you. But this is IDX Broker. This is essentially our backend MLS for our website that you have access to. So the domain here is this middleware.idxbroker.com/mgmt/login PHP. Just go ahead and save that, put that in, and bookmark it. You're going to go ahead and put your login credentials in here, get logged in. It's going to take you to your dashboard. It's a really simple dashboard, so there's not a lot going on. All you do is you're going to click on Bio. This is going to allow you to edit different things, but you just click on Subheader, and it's going to give you your agent header ID. This 5-digit number right here is your unique identifier in the system, so if people are looking at things, it's going to link them to you. If you were to copy this string all together and send it to someone, it's going to send them to an advanced search on the page. Anything they click on after that is being linked to you as the agent. So let's just go ahead and bypass that right now. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to keep this part handy. This question mark agent header ID equals 55406 or whatever your 5-digit number is what you're going to want to copy on the end of different website addresses, and that will link them back to you. So let's just go ahead and run a search so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So if you want to run a search for a property, you can do it in a number of ways, but let's just say we do it from our site here. You're just going to go here to advanced search, and let's say we want to send them a link to a specific property. So we'll just use one here that we have listed, and it is Grand National. We click search. Should come up with one result here. Go ahead and click on it. So let's say we want to send them this detail page with the information. Say it's after an open house, or you meet someone, or say you just find a cool listing online and or like in the Facebook pages, and you see people saying, hey, give me some more information on that property, and you want to send it to them, but you want them to be registered to you. You have this the website address right here, which is really long. If you just send them that link, they're going to go to the website. They might not be registered with you. So what you're going to do is go back to your IDX Broker account, take that question mark agent header ID section, and you just copy it to the back of the string. You can put that agent header ID on any domain that has the IDX account in it, and it will basically embed a cookie into their website when they click on it. So let's just go ahead and copy this, and let's say we want to send it to someone via email. So we can, title the email, check this house out, check out my new listing here. You're just gonna, click the hyperlink, and you're just gonna add that hyperlink in there with that entire thing. So if they click on it, it's gonna take them to the website, take them to that property. Again, say you want to send it to someone on Facebook. So you just paste it in there. It'll pop up with the display there. Again, if they click on this, it's going to take them to the website. Once they go to the website and they start clicking around, it's going to register them to you. You're going to get a notification that a lead has popped up. When that lead pops up, it's going to go to a couple places. It's one going to go to top producer, and it's going to register them as a contact in there. But it's also going to come up on your home page here. You'll have this lead button. If you click on leads and click on manage, you can see all your leads that have registered. The benefit to them going into this side is you can see what they're clicking on. So for example, this Kyle Jones, click on lead info, and you can see everything that he's clicked on. When he clicked on it, the IP address, you can see if they're looking from work and from home. You can see where the leads came from. So with any of these, again, if you click on them, it's going to show you what they last looked at. Oh, that's the contact page. That's contact page. Anyway, it's going to show you what properties they're looking at. So 2500 Rockbrook, Keeley Avenue, and it allows you to get the information as to what their interests are. So that's how you're going to do that. If you got questions, let me know. Again, just log into IDX Broker, get your unique header ID, and just add it to the end of IDX, any IDX account, and you can send that link out to anybody. Cool? Got questions, let me know.